It's me, Jerry Middleman. I've been tagging them out here in Long Island, New York, and I was just driving around the neighborhood condo complex, and I spotted this awesome truck. Check this thing out. Wow. 1959 Chevy Apache with character. This thing is awesome. Slammed in the front. This thing is so cool. Gotta try to buy this bad boy. This thing is so awesome. Beautiful truck. Looks like it's lowered. Probably has a V8 in it. Been sitting here for a while. Car was registered. Guys, like and share my videos. Subscribe to my channel. It's got an upgraded steering column in there. But this truck is pretty badass. Wait, there's a for sale sign. Hold on a second. '59 Chevy Apache 31. I love that emblem. Got a for sale sign here. No, it's a veteran's truck. Yeah, guys, what would you do with this truck? Would you restore it? I would leave it as is. Get it mechanically restored. Tires are straight 6 in it. I'm gonna go look at that third pedal. This thing has character. Wow, it's awesome. Yeah, is it for sale?
Oh no, the guy, he's gone. He's not here.
Okay, give me 1 second. So guys, like and share this video. Subscribe to my channel. Leave any comments down below. Jerry Middleman Battaglia. Have a great day.